Hello guys, welcome to our channel Essential BI. Today we are going to discuss about merge queries in Power BI and append queries in Power BI and join conditions in Power BI. So we will discuss those topics one by one. First we will cover theory part in this PPT and we will go with the practical part, how merge query will work and how to apply the merge queries and append queries in the Power BI, and what is the join conditions in Power BI. So firstly we will discuss about the merge queries. So merge queries is basically the operation in the Power BI where we can combining the two or more data set from the different data sources, and we are creating one unified data set for the reporting purpose and visualizing the data, analyzing the data. So there are few steps in the merge query, like we need to open the query editors, identifying the query editors, understanding identify the key columns, joining the two tables and applying the changes. So those are the steps which we need to follow while we are working on the merge queries. So we will see those steps in a practical way. So here we have two tables. One is office inventory and second one is sheet. So sheet contains the item group by data. So now first step we need to follow, go to the edit query. So once we will click on the edit query, so it will redirect us to the query editor. So once we will go to the query editor, so in the home tab we will see the merge query options. So once I will click on that drop down, so it will give us the two option, merge queries and merge queries as new. So merge queries means if I will click on that merge queries, so it means whatever the operation I will perform, uh, it will save in a single table. And if I will choose the merge query as a new, so it will create another table. So that is the difference. So here we have the common columns item. So on basis of item we can create the relationship here, and we are putting the left join. So those are the joins which is applicable in the Power BI. So left join, right join, full outer join, inner join, left anti, right anti. So basically the four joins is compulsory used in the Power BI. So we will discuss about the functionality of the join in this session as well. So first we will apply the merge queries. So that query has been merged as of now. So I need to expand that one. So if you will uncheck that or use original column and name as sub prefix, so you will get the only the column name. Otherwise you will get the table name along with the column name. So I am just unchecking that column, and I need here item group, because item is available in my first table, item group is not available, so that's why I put the merge query here. So here I have merge item group. Now I need to close and apply whatever the steps they have suggested earlier in the PPT. So those steps we are trying to follow. So close and apply, it means it will save all the operations whatever we have done in this Power BI file. So now data is loaded. So if we can check here, so item group is added here, we can check in a table view. So in office inventory we have the item group along with the item. So that is the merge query. Now coming on the append query. Okay, we will see one more example. We will see one more example. Edit query. Last time what we did here, we have selected merge. Now we are going to select merge as a new. So merge as a new means like it will create the another table. Office inventory, item group, key column is item, using inner join. Okay. So now it has created one more table here. So what we can say, we can give the name merge query. Whatever the name you want to give, you can give. This is not a restriction that you need to give the merge query. So if the business requirement is to give the another names, you can give the another name. So that is the another way. So now coming on the append part. Append means we are appending the data on in under the one table in a similar data set. Suppose we have the order ID region, same column should be there in the different table, so we can append the data. So what we can do, as of now we have around 43 records in this table. So we have created one office office 2. So now what we can do, we can just try append. Same thing goes to here. If we will append query, so it the data will be appended in a same table. If we will use this append queries as a new, so data will be appended in the different. So now we will select the append queries as a new. Now it is asking us the second table. Second table is Office 2. So what it will do, it will just double the records because the data set is append 1. So what we can do, we can just close and apply. So those are the operations like merge queries and append queries. So those are the detailed parts and practical parts of in the Power BI. Now coming on the join conditions in the Power BI. So I'll give you the small brief about the joins. So what is the functionality of the joins? So join means there are four types of the joins available. So either it can be a SQL, MySQLs, and Power BI. So most frequently used join is inner join. Inner join is used to matching the records to get the matching records from the both tables. Left join means like used all the data from the left table and matching records from the right table. Right join means used all the data from right table and matching records from left table. Full means full outer join works as a union, so it will extract all the data from both tables. So that's all from for this lesson, for this session. Thank you so much. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, you please subscribe our channel and like and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much.